Hey everyone, it's Tim, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Star Wars blaster sound effect using a Slinky.
To start off, you're going to want a metal Slinky, and if you just want to listen to the Star Wars blaster sound for fun, then the Slinky is all you need. But if you want to record the blaster sound, then you're going to want some sort of audio capturing device, whether that be a microphone or a smartphone.
There's two different ways to position your Slinky. You can either have it horizontal like this, where it's suspended in the air, or you can have the Slinky vertical like this.
Next, we want to make sure the blaster sound is actually picked up. The sound is made from the vibrations of the Slinky, which you can really only hear from within the Slinky. So you want to place your audio recording device somewhere facing into the Slinky.
Once you have that set up, you can either get a solid blaster sound from lightly tapping the Slinky with some sort of object. I'll use a spoon. Or you can drop the bottom of the Slinky, have it hit the ground, and then grab it again so the sound doesn't reverberate. Now let's see what it sounds like in context. And there you go, everybody. That's how to create a simple Star Wars blaster sound effect using a Slinky.